In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Malibu key fob. Replacing your battery at home is super easy to do. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and you don't need anything fancy to get it done. The only thing you will need is one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these, you can go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find this particular battery for just a few dollars. And then the only other thing you will want to grab is a flathead screwdriver. Any regular flathead screwdriver you have lying around will do. So the first step is just to look on the bottom right of your device, right next to where the keyring attaches. You can see that there is this little indentation, a little slot right along the seam of the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and once it's kind of stuck in there, you can just gently twist the screwdriver just enough to start to open this thing up, and from here you can just pull it apart with your fingers, and now we have access to the battery. So set the back to the side for now, and the easiest way to get at the battery from here is just to gently lift up the circuit board up out of this rubber housing so that we can slide it right out the top. So you're just grabbing it with your thumb, pulling it out, and once you have that battery freed, you can dispose of the old battery and grab your new CR2032 battery. Make sure your 2032 battery is going positive side up. Okay, so it might be hard to see here, but the plus sign and that text and that battery information should be facing up when you slide this in place. Push it down all the way into the metal housing. And now all we need to do is put it back together. So first, take the front of your device that has this rubber component here and just drop the circuit board in. Make sure it's sitting down in there nicely before you take the back piece of plastic and squeeze it back on. And just like that, you are finished and good to go. So that's really all it takes. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, you can always let me know down in the comments or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with video tutorials for the devices from pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.